Hey, what is up, you guys? It's Drippy time with you guys again. Sorry if I haven't uploaded. I know, I'm sorry. Anyways, in this video, let's go back a little bit. I've been going to like stores, probably like cheap stores, 99-cent store and Dollar Tree, as you guys can see in the back. Anyways, yeah, so like I've been going to those kind of stores in the past 2-3 weeks. Not a lot, just like for like, you know, simple stuff. But anyways, I saw in the candy section and the chip section, there's like certain chips and candy that are very like many of them are like Chinese candy, or like stuff that, like, you know, people don't actually buy. I'm gonna be buying some chips and some candy to see if it's worth it. Maybe you guys can like give it a try, and maybe you guys like it. Maybe, you know, people don't really buy them because they don't know what they taste like. They think they're bad, or probably they are really bad. They probably bought it already. Well, I haven't. I always go with the, you know, the original stuff. Hopefully we find some candy that, you know, catches your attention and catches my attention, and I'll buy it. I'll give it a try, I'll review it, and you guys can maybe give it a try. Go to your dollar store and, you know, buy it, maybe. Anyways, I'm gonna get off and I'll catch you guys once I'm inside the store. And let's see. So we got this. This is probably gonna be for a different video. These are gonna be for a different video. But I'm gonna try all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I just got out of the store and I finished. I got everything that I had in the cart, you can say. And I'm gonna find somewhere where I can like actually do the review for you guys. And I'll catch you guys right now in a bit. Alright, so I really don't have an amazing setup. As you guys can see, it's just like out here. Anyways, so the first thing I bought are some veggie straw sea salt sticks. This is definitely pretty good. I would enjoy buying these again. I just don't like the colors. The colors are like way too off. I don't know if you guys can see this. Like, they're just like weird. But that's that. The next thing we got is, I was correct the percent. Anyway, the next thing is hot Cheetos. Well, there are very hot crunchy cheese curls are called. There's no copyright into hot Cheetos, no. They smell too much like vinegar. But I try these again. I would probably buy them again, but not as often. Okay. Next thing we got with some corn chips, dipping corn chips. These are just like Fritos. They're the same thing as Fritos. They taste exactly the same. These are definitely a buy for next time again. Let's try these. Can you guys see them? Look. I used to love these. You guys should definitely try these. I recommend these candy. So now I have snow caps. I've never tried these. I've seen them, but I've never had them. They're like so tiny. They're like chocolate, like kisses, just very tiny. And they're actually pretty good. I got good and plenty. Oh, damn. So Let me just try one. I did not like. Then we got a big, solid dark chocolate. I would say, even though it doesn't really taste much, I hate mint, so this is gonna like blow everything up, you know. All the good flavors in my mouth is just gonna like ruin it. Inside it doesn't have anything, so I don't like the mint. I don't like the mint. I didn't like it. Now let's try the warheads. And then it has a baggie inside, because they're very toxic, you know. Guys, I still have the mint flavor in my mouth, so like I can't taste anything. So I don't know. Let's just go with the whoa, the gum. This is like pieces and pieces of gum. But yeah, so that's pretty much it from everything that I bought. Now I have a mess on top of my car. Whoa. Imagine I do all this inside of my house. We do not want any little insects crawling inside my house, like little ants or roaches trying to eat all this candy. So good thing I did it here, so like, you know, I can just like wash it. It's all clean. I would recommend you give it a try. Maybe this will be very good with some salsa though, because they're too plain. But other than that, Drippy Diamond, and I am out. Long gone, long gone, long gone, long gone, long